You're enjoying the Jack on the Go show.
Hey guys, what's up? So we're driving into Nashville right now. Gonna go pick up Tanya. She's gonna join us for a meal. And it seems it's a fairly new place. It's been open a while, but it's Korean barbecue. We haven't had good Korean barbecue since we left California. We've tried Nashville Korean barbecue. Too expensive and not a good experience. So this one is supposed to be good. It's in Hendersonville, so we're going to check it out with Tanya, and we will show you what it looks like in a minute. Okay guys, J Street Korean Grill and Bar. That's what it looks like from the outside. We're going inside to take a look. This is kind of a cool looking place. Look at that screen. Oh my gosh.
Nights we have late night. It's like from 10 p.m. to 1 a.m.
Right.
And we have DJs come in. We did have live music last night.
Oh wow.
So it's like a little party in here.
Nice. It's so cool. They even have like a nightlife here.
Okay. Steamed broccoli.
Thank you.
Baked potato salad. Really similar to normal potato salad. It's just a little bit sweeter. It's got apples in it. Okay. And then some pickled radishes. There's some sauce for you as well. This first one is Sumjung sauce. It's pretty spicy. Just keep that in mind. The middle is yum yum. And then the last one is sesame oil with sea salt.
Okay.
Nice.
And then that's the menu right there, right?
Yes. So just so you guys know, we are on dinner only on the weekends. Is that still okay with you?
Let's go. Okay guys, so I just found out that it's for 2 hours all you can eat. I've never heard of a time frame. But yeah, so they'll bring beef and chicken and everything else. It's all you can eat in the 2 hours, and it's on the weekends is the dinner menu only.
Okay.
Okay, as you can see, this is where we cook our meats, right here at the table. Okay, so they brought us a side of kimchi, and Tanya's never had kimchi. That's what it looks like. It looks really good. So go ahead and try it, see if you like it. Thank you.
Little lime slices right here. Sweet tea and lemon. You guys need any more
Interesting.
minutes?
No, so we're gonna start with the shrimp.
So you
and
don't
then
like
the
it, you spit it out.
Hawaiian.
Do whatever.
Okay, and then
You like it?
for the, can we
You
get
do
garlic
like
wrap?
it? Really? Oh my gosh, so do I.
Cheese,
That's
and
great.
we'll do the
Hey, that's a
stir-fried
great shirt you're wearing right there.
So not that.
I love that shirt. Okay guys, so let's see, all you can
Warn
eat.
them on the weekends, they only do dinner.
On the weekends, I did warn them already. On the weekends, it's only dinner price, which is, what is dinner?
$39.99 for adults.
$39.99? Okay.
Right here, like that. Got that. Good potato salad.
There you go. Unlimited sides. Beef, pork, chicken. Alright guys, so you got broccoli. You have pickled radish. You have the potato salad.
That's potato salad. It's like a creamy potato salad.
It's a little sweeter than normal. And then that's the kimchi. Okay, so I'm going out on a limb trying this broccoli. Not like having a broccoli my whole life. Alright, now we're trying potato salad. I love kimchi. Okay, so we're doing shrimp first. This is Cajun, right?
Yep, Cajun shrimp.
Cajun shrimp. She poured a whole bowl into our cooker. She also brought, what, mac and cheese for everybody. Mine's right here. But look, we're cooking away. Okay, you said the mac and cheese was good.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Hey, wait. I don't need you to eat mine. That's mine. No more, is it? We already got more kimchi and more potato salad. Okay, we just found out the shrimp Cajun style is a little spicy. Oh, back of my throat is on fire right now.
This is the house salad.
So what?
This is the house salad.
Oh, you already have some?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it good? How's the dressing?
A light dressing.
Very light? Okay, the service is incredible, Karen. I think she's come to our table 3 times soda already. So this is like a bulgogi beef with pineapple?
Yes.
Got it.
The Hawaiian, yeah.
Thank you. Okay, and what is this right here?
That's fried chicken.
Spicy chicken?
That's fried chicken.
Fried chicken. More meat. Here we go. Nice. Amazing.
All right, guys. I will be back with the yum sauce in just a second.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And then you got the gyoza.
No, it's the pork. What is it called?
Yeah, it's like gyoza.
Fried pork
And then we got
dumpling.
kimchi soup. Not sure how that's gonna be. All right, I'm gonna try the chicken. By the way, this could be burning hot, but it's not. Good.
Hold on. Kimchi soup. Try the kimchi soup. What'd you say?
It's good.
It's good?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow. Let's try this beef. It's got pineapple in it, and it's like bulgogi with pineapple.
Is that okay? So is that spicy chicken? Is it really spicy?
No. It looks really spicy, but it's got enough kick to it so it's all spicy.
Okay. Like the way it looks, I'm like, that might be too much.
Yeah.
So the red one's spicy? Okay. Got it. There we go. That's where we can bake it. So, better look at it. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
This J Street Korean barbecue joint, first of all, is just amazing. Service was amazing. Prices are as expected. What did you say, 39? I thought it was 33.
All you can eat.
All you can eat meat
That's
for
dinner pricing.
Yeah, that's dinner prices. They have other pricing too for kids and something else. But it's the first time on the show I'm giving it an A++. That's right. Never done it before. This place was great. Big, lots of TV screens. Big, huge TV screen like ESPN Zone. So go watch the game. Go have a party. Have a good time.